If you're an online coach, course creator, agency owner, or even you're looking to do something like build a community that goes with your SaaS, watch this video because I'm going to show you the easiest and the best platform to host your online course on, to accept payments reliably, and to create and host your communities. I've been using this platform for about the last 6 to 8 months, and it has been an absolute game changer for my business in terms of a more reliable payment processor, building my community on there, hosting all my materials inside of there, and actually being able to even turn my customers into affiliates. This platform that I'm talking about is called WAP, and with WAP, it is literally as easy as starting your business in 60 seconds from your iPhone. Okay, so the first thing that we do is we open the WAP app, and as you can see, there's all these different tabs here, but where I'm going to start off is in my dashboard. As you can see here, there's a few apps, but I'm gonna create a new one just to show you how easy it is. We just hit the plus button, and now let's just name this, and let's just say this is SaaS 101, and hit continue. Give it a headline, build a SaaS in 30 days without code. And now it's making it. So now you can see it was already created. And so then what we can do is we can upload some media. I'll just upload a picture of myself, and then I would hit save. And then we can add the description here. And I'll say, this is a program designed to teach you how to build a SaaS with no code in 30 days or less. Okay, you can add more about yourself. So like we can add a bio here. So like Alex Heiden is a multi-SaaS founder that started when he was 19. Who is this for? So you can add a persona of like, again, who is this for? And you could just put like, I don't know, ambitious tech people looking to break into tech. Done. You can add your pricing options. You can add your frequently asked questions. You'll be able to see your reviews here, and you'll also be able to add to your affiliates and easily turn your customers into affiliates like I mentioned. Now, all of the reviews that you get are going to be vetted, so there's no chance of there being fake reviews. And something else that's really cool is WAP actually guarantees refunds for creators. So then you have their Discover feed, which is basically like Instagram, but for like programs. And it's a curated feed to only show you things that you were actually interested in. Every week, over 2 million people are coming onto the WAP Discover page to look through products. WAP is literally like Amazon, but for coaching, courses, and online communities, and they tag every single user so that way they only show you relevant content. So basically then you can easily create payments inside of the WAP app, and so you can either do a single payment or a subscription. So if you do a single payment, you can just click this, put the price, let's say it's $1, if it expires, the stock, and then done. And it's as easy as that, and then that is created. It's very similar to like Stripe and when you're creating a payment link. WAP also offers financing through Klarna, Afterpay, and Affirm. And then you can also manage your finances inside of the WAP app. And so you can do things like get paid out, you can handle disputes and resolutions all inside of your mobile app. You can even do things like pay out your team members through WAP, but you can literally see all of your different stats right inside of your phone. So as you can see here, we are now inside of WAP, the web app. And so we can basically manage everything inside of here as well. So you can see your home tab, Discover again, messages, because you can message people throughout WAP, people in your community, people on your team, notifications, your dashboard, and then your affiliates, and then as well as your WAPs. And so if we go into our dashboard, you can see they have this 3K in 30 days challenge if you want to get flown out to New York City to see the WAP team and get all of this. So again, if you guys want to try to sell on WAP, the link is in the description to get signed up. You can easily access your payment links, your users, waitlists, promos, codes, affiliates, resolution center. All of these different types of things are right here and super accessible. Again, you can see all of your stats right here. You can do full-blown affiliate campaigns very easily. You can turn all of your customers into affiliates with just a few clicks. You can also see your Discover page from here. And so again, it's all, as you can see, if you decided you wanted to get into finance and wealth, you can just click on this and it's going to show you courses, coaching, communities that are primarily focused on finance and wealth. And so again, you can edit your WAP from right here. So if we want to go into apps, we can add apps. WAP has a ton of different app integrations that you can choose from. So again, you can create your chats, content, whether it's written, whether it's video, host your courses here, forums, the WAP wheel, which is a fun way to basically get your members to stay engaged, your help desk, you can do events, files, videos, calls, website embeds, affiliate links, sports apps. You can embed your software even, which is really cool for me. There's so many different apps that you can choose from that you can easily add right from inside of your WAP web app. And that's really it. WAP does have their own payment processor. So again, they're able to be a more reliable payment processor for you. So you're not going to deal with any bans, any money holds, or anything like that, which is why I switched to them on top of all these other incredible features. And that's the breakdown of how you can easily start your business in under 60 seconds on WAP. WAP has processed over $600 million now in a few years. So if you guys want to start selling on WAP and easily get set up in 60 seconds like I just showed you, the link's in the description to get started. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys start selling on WAP because they've been an absolute game changer for myself. And I hope you guys get that trip to New York City. I'll catch you in the next one.